Jefferson County in central New York, Lewis County in central New York, northeastern Oswego County in central New York, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:33 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Herrings to Redfield, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Watertown, Fort Drum, Carthage, Lowville, West Carthage, Adams, Redfield, Herrings, High Market, and Barnes Corners. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here are the 2 p.m. observations. In Messina, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 84 degrees.